Get a feel for the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Wrangler JK brings open-air freedom, comfort, convenience, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and can-do performance on all your off-road adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Free your spirit in the Wrangler JK. Take it out on the road today.